time is the most valuable asset you have. Unlike money, material possessions, or even relationships, time is something you can never get back once it's gone. You can always make more money, rebuild a lost business, or even repair relationships, but time, once spent, is gone forever. This is why understanding the value of time and using it wisely can be the key to success and happiness. Many people fail to recognize how precious time is until they realize they have wasted too much of it. It's easy to get caught up in distractions or scrolling endlessly on social media, watching television for hours, or procrastinating on important tasks. Every moment you spend doing something that does not contribute to your growth or happiness is a moment you will never get back. That's why the most successful people in the world, whether entrepreneurs, athletes, or artists, understand that how they use their time determines their future. One of the reasons time is so valuable is that it is the great equalizer. No matter who you are, where you are from, or how much money you have, you get the same 24 hours in a day. The difference between success and failure often comes down to how you choose to use those hours. If you spend your time wisely learning new skills, working on your passions, and building meaningful relationships, you will create a life of purpose and fulfillment. On the other hand, if you waste time on things that don't matter, you may find yourself full of regret, wondering where all the years went. Another reason time is so valuable is that it directly affects your happiness. When you manage your time well, you reduce stress, increase productivity, and create more opportunities for joy and success. Have you ever noticed how good it feels to complete a task or achieve a goal? That feeling comes from knowing you used your time effectively. But when you waste time, you often feel guilty, frustrated, or overwhelmed, leading to anxiety and dissatisfaction with life. One of the best ways to make the most of your time is to set clear priorities. Identify what truly matters to you and focus on those things. If your goal is to build a successful business, spend your time learning about your industry, networking with the right people, and taking action. If your priority is your health, dedicate time to exercise, eat well, and rest properly. The key is to align your time with your goals so that every day brings you closer to the life you want. It's also important to eliminate time-wasting habits. Avoid excessive social media use, unnecessary meetings, or spending time with negative people who drain your energy. Instead, surround yourself with positive influences. Develop productive routines, and learn to say no to things that do not serve your purpose. At the end of the day, your time is your life. How you choose to spend it determines the quality of your experiences and the legacy you leave behind. Use it wisely, because once it's gone, you can never get it back.